We are Nylund's Collision Center, and we are regular people just like you. We like to think of our guests as family. In fact, that's how Nylund's became what it is today. A locally owned family business serving the Denver metro area for over 30 years, with a hand-selected team of professionals ready to get the work done right the first time. Sure, there are over 500 body shops within our area, but we're the only 8-time A-list award-winning body shop you can find. And we're always happy to give people a tour of our shop. See the cars in different steps of the repair process, talk with our technicians, and check out our spray booth and get to know the people you've trusted with your vehicle. Our mission at Nylund's Collision Center is to provide our guests and future guests peace of mind and industry best repairs when you find yourself faced with getting your vehicle repaired and back on the road. We've invested our blood, sweat, and tears into creating a state-of-the-art auto body and collision shop with all the right technology to fix your car right and make sure it leaves our shop with the proper attention to your safety and that of those whom you love. We raise the bar when it comes to the image of an auto collision facility. We make every effort every day to earn our guests' loyalty and referrals so that we may become an icon in our community when it comes to best-in-class auto body repair in the Denver metro area. From the time you and your vehicle enter our facility to the time it leaves, we treat everything as if it were our own. Our technicians and staff are top caliber, craftsmen, professionals, and have spent many years in the auto body and collision industry. Peace of mind isn't something you can put a price on. It comes from knowing that you're being treated fairly, which is why we offer peace of mind at no extra charge. We become an advocate for you when you need it most. We'll help you navigate your vehicle's repair process, and our office staff is always on call to answer questions you may have. Although we specialize in auto body repair for premium brands such as Lexus, BMW, Subaru, and Mercedes, we are delighted to work on any car regardless of vehicle type. And you'll have the confidence of knowing that your car will be repaired the way the manufacturer intended it. We are Nylund's Collision Center, where people come first.